Hi guys. It's I don't want to say the middle of the night, but it is Saturday night. Just got out of work a little while ago. I actually just had dinner with a really good friend. We had Ethiopian food, and now I'm walking off the meal so I can earn my dessert. I'm actually walking over to my friend's house to catch up. Then I'll probably see you guys in the morning. Hi guys. Oh, it's been a minute since we chatted. I think the last time I talked to you guys was maybe 2 weeks ago. For real, for real. Um, um, 20 and I took our mom down to New York City for her birthday and spent the day with her. And I think that was the last time I actually had a full length conversation with y'all. So yeah, I've been busy. Been getting back into my work routine. Trying to get back into more healthy habits. Like I feel like I mentioned this before. I'm trying to lose weight, but I'm having such a difficult time, and I mean, I'm definitely to blame. But sometimes I'm just a girl. JK. But after I got back from Thailand, even while I was in Thailand, I mean, while I was in Thailand, I wasn't eating terribly or anything like that. I just had this habit of like ordering out, and I really want to stop doing that because I want to make more like whole food meals and sort of things, and that'll help because I can control what I'm putting in it, and I know it's like just healthier stuff, healthier options. So the last few weeks have been very difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I did slip up a few times, but you gotta take the good with the bad, okay? So I actually have today off, but that's just because I'm like kind of getting over a little cold. Um, so I was just planning on staying home and do some home admin stuff and kind of just like resting. Outside of that, I wanted to show you guys some of the meals I have prepared for the week. Kind of trying to get back into being a little bit healthier. I mean, I feel like the meals that I made aren't terrible, but they could be better. Like I need to put more greens back into my meals. So I'm trying to, you know, get back on the healthy train. Also, I need to hold myself accountable, so I'm gonna put this out there. I'm gonna start going back to the gym 3 days a week. I've already been doing like 10K steps a day, so I can feel like I can see a difference in my face, but I need more gone immediately. Immediately. You know what I'm saying? Like I had a goal that I wanted to hit by the summer, and the summer's here, and I did not hit that goal, but that's okay as long as I try to hit it at some point, you know? So I'll be working towards that goal for the near future. I do have some upcoming like small trips planned and stuff like that, but nothing like as crazy as Thailand. Wow, Thailand was just an amazing experience. The people. Oh my gosh, I love Thai people. They are so welcoming and kind, and oh my god, I just had the best experience. Um, so yeah, I'm kind of coming back, coming down off of that high, back into reality. So I've been just like working and just doing like home stuff and normal adulting things, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's been a bit hard, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm getting back on track. So I'll show you guys some of the meals I made for the week. I'm not gonna do like showing you like any gym content or anything like that. That's not what this page is about. Plus, I feel awkward as hell recording myself in the gym, and I already have like an extra accountability system in place. I have two of my friends that are gonna go with me, and they're gonna constantly remind me like, "Oh hey, gym time," so I can't chicken out of it. Not even chicken out of it. I can't like. I just get lazy. I just get very lazy, especially once like my cycle comes around. I'm not trying to do a thing, but the not doing the thing is really not helping the body. I'm really gonna go for it this time. Yeah. All right, guys. So I will see you in a little while once I'm done cooking, and I'll show you what I made. I have broccoli, onion fried rice, and this is beef bulgogi. I get this beef bulgogi pack from Trader Joe's right in the frozen section. So we have, literally, y'all, I just coated this in olive oil, tossed it in the oven. Oh, with this seasoning. Toasted it in the oven for like 20 minutes to let it cook through. Then I poured on some of the eel sauce that I made a while ago and a little bit of garlic. And then I just broiled it for like 5 minutes. So we have this eel flavored salmon, I guess. I don't even know what to call this, but slab of salmon. Then this is roasted potatoes, peppers and onions, and broccoli. And then we have a bunch of containers of fruit. There's champagne mangoes in here, strawberries, berry, kiwis, and opal apple slices. So that's the meal prep for the work week. Hi guys, Future Raw here. I'm so sorry about this super short video this week. Man, I realized after going through all of the dang videos I have that I wasn't like recording in between some of the stuff from the previous week. So it's kind of like gappy, and I want to give you guys a super gappy video, so I figured I'd just share like the recipes I made for like that week and the week after for meal prep. So next week I'll have a full-bodied vlog, a more complete vlog. So yeah, apologies in advance because this video is quite short, but that's okay. I'll have something out much better next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye.